emails. Man, I got these packages to send out. Trey, how you get in here?
Joe let me in, man.
Okay, is that my leave-in beard hydrator?
Oh, it looked like it.
It sure do, and it looked like you using a whole lot.
I mean, I told you, man, I'm trying to make it look drip. I'm trying to get the drip. How much I'm supposed to be using?
You just need a nickel size for your beard to a quarter size, all right?
Okay.
Less is more. You're already using it in the morning. You're going to be using it at night, okay? But listen, what's going to end up happening, one, you're going to waste money. You know what I'm talking about? Well, you're wasting my money because you're using all my product. You know what I'm talking about? And then, number two, if you use too much, your beard is going to have too much product and it's going to create product buildup, okay? So you don't need but a nickel size to a quarter. That's it. All right? Okay. Nickel size to a quarter. Boy, you over there like you about to go ahead and grab a soccer ball or something the way you over there digging in there. Boy, what you got? You lost something? Did you at least clean your hands, bro?
I did wash my hands.
You wash your hands? All right, because I got issues with, guys, they out here be walking out the bathroom not washing their hands properly.
Yeah.
Then you're going to dig your finger into my leave-in beer hydrator. Well, that's like coming over here and drinking up all my Kool-Aid. You know what I'm talking about? In the kitchen, just drinking. Out the jug. You know what I mean?
Out the jug. Savage.
Savage like. So, bro, you don't need that much. Okay? A little goes a long way. All right?
I got you.
And if you do it that way, it's going to stretch. You're going to save money. Okay? And you're going to have the drip. You know what I'm talking about? And it's going to be alkaline drip.
Alkaline drip.
Alkaline drip. You know what I'm talking about? So.
Then not be Mufasa.
Symbol to Mufasa. You ain't got to worry about your beard being dry. Matter of fact, you might need to go ahead and get you one. Oh, I think that's what you need to do.
That's what you need?
No, that's what you need. You need to get your own. Okay? Get your own. That's mine. Okay?
I got you.
Get your own. I got my own. Okay? I'll be back. This boy, I don't know. Who raised this boy?